Well, I love Nicole. She and I are really tight. Jen is great. Everybody's really nice. I like their style. So I like everything about Altenew. They are the ones that got me to use washi tape. So washi tape, what it's known for, it's just like strips of tape. Like think of tape from school, but it's removable. So, and it's got patterns on it so you can put it down. It's like a Japanese thing, so it comes on and off. I think it was actually invented in Japan. Anyway, so normal washi tape is pretty thin. Well, they created big, huge sheets of it. So you can take this washi tape, which has florals and pretty stuff on it, and you can put it on a card because it's transparent. And whoever you send it to is going to think you painted all that, but it's tape. And then they just did decals. So my new craft room, they have, I'm sure you know, like imagine kids' room, they stick all this stuff all over their walls. Well, they did it with their style of decals. So I have my craft room with like all their signature flowers and stuff all over it. When people come in, they probably think I painted that too. I did not.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.